Want to bring in my tag team partner from just down the road a ways in Plainville, Indiana, Brother Miles Krieger. Take it away, bud.
Well, thank you very much, Jeremy. You're number 20 for me here on the mic.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got to ask the question, who out there is ready for some pulling action? Make some noise. Let's get excited. America's Bowl starts right now. Case machine out there. Howe family run Elmer's Repair Shop out there. Do a whole lot of business working on tractors, implements, back end set trail you can. So Elmer's sitting out there currently. If the vehicle touches that chalk in any way, shape, or form, the vehicle will be out of bounds. So you got to keep them in between the lines here tonight in Henry, Illinois. Here we go now. Brian Howe in the Big Temptation. No question about it. 310 and some change. 20 feet to the...
was won by Larry Phillips. Those four classes were modified four-wheel drive, light super stock, and of course, pro stock tractors. Well, he shuts it off very quickly. Well, it's not what we were hoping for by any means at all. Great pull shot, front end lifted just like he wanted. And around that 160-foot mark or so. Lost the whistle. Folks, the conversion of alcohol in this light super stock class for many years.
Pleasant Hill, Illinois. Mr. Bobby Jones with a tractor with the title of the tractor is one of my favorites ever, fans. They call this tractor competitors. Are scratching their heads, doing everything they can to crawl back into this, as he's been winning by not a few feet, but quite a few feet. And here he comes now to the starting line. We get that green flag and come running your way. He's going to shut it down in the number 2 position here this evening, and certainly that only further illustrates just how big a pass Brian Howe had. That was good, there's no question about it, and that is the distance still to be at this point.
It was so close. 3:32 and 07. 3:32.
Tractor here at the bottom of the class. Daniel Northcutt will be doing the driving on that one. But Martin comes in here tonight for this over-the-edge tractor. Our mark to be here continues to be 3:68 and 39.
That's probably number 4 right there. We may get past Mr. Shorthine. We'll just wait and see how far he went. I've got a distance here of 3:21 and 87 for Mr. Yeah, and sometimes this tractor's just kind of kept them on their toes and head scratching. So we're hoping that Todd makes a pass right here on the big end of the track, fire that case up and come our way.
By the hair of his chinny chin, Henry, Illinois, no doubt about it. Where are my John Deere fans?
Got about a half a foot there. And he goes to the front as we go back to the light super stock side now. And we thank our friends at ARP. We back that second entry out of the state of Tennessee. Daniel Northcutt doing the driving of this entry.
Comes into the evening, number 2. Pro Pulling League points with this machine. These Tennessee tractors are number 2 and number 3. Last competitor here in our ARP Lightweight Super Stock Division to start us off here tonight. Our mark to beat continues to be 3:68 and 39.
Unfortunately, that went to the wrong side of the white line, folks, with that 210 out of the state of Tennessee. Let's give him a tough round of applause. The on the edge entry.